In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a video to an email campaign using Brevo's built-in tools, and what to adjust so it looks clean and clickable on every device. Start by heading to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in. Once you're in, go to the Marketing section, then open Campaigns. From your list, click the campaign you want to edit and choose Edit Design to open the email editor. A quick note before we add the video. Brevo doesn't host raw video files inside emails. Instead, it creates a clickable preview that points to your video on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, or to a publicly accessible video URL you control. This is standard for email because many inboxes don't play video inline. The result is a thumbnail with a play button that leads readers to your video with a single click. Inside the editor, look at the content panel and find the video block. Drag and drop it into the part of your design where you want the preview to appear. After it lands in your layout, click the video block to open its settings. On the left side panel, paste your video URL. Use a link that people can access without logging in. Once you paste it, the editor will generate a preview so you can see how it will look. If nothing appears, double check that the link is public and that it points to a supported source. Now fine-tune the presentation. Adjust alignment to control whether the video preview sits left, right, or centered. Tweak spacing to add comfortable padding above and below so the section breathes. Then dial in the play button design. Choose a size and style that's easy to spot, and pick a color with strong contrast against your thumbnail so the call to action stands out. If your brand has specific colors, match them here for a polished, on-brand feel. A few quick tips as you style. Center alignment usually performs well on mobile. Keep the preview at a familiar 16:9 ratio to avoid awkward cropping. If your thumbnail is busy, a larger play button often improves click clarity. And make sure the video's landing page loads quickly, since that's where your audience will finish the experience. That's it. You've signed in, opened your campaign, dragged in a video block, added the URL, and refined the layout and play button so your video looks great and drives clicks.